The best renovations begin at Veejays. Since 1989, our designers, quality cabinet makers and installers have been setting the standard for high-quality renovations in Western Australia. At Veejays, complete renovations are our specialty. That means less stress for you and peace of mind knowing that your renovation is in the very best hands. The process begins with an initial consultation in the comfort of your own home. It's here that we can discuss your ideas and offer some suggestions if you're a little unsure where to start. We also talk you through the entire process, so there are no surprises. Whether you're after a brand new kitchen, planning to update your bathroom, or would like to create a nice big laundry space, Veejays can make your renovation dreams come true. We use the latest 3D imaging design and manufacturing techniques to ensure your renovation is completed to exacting standards. Our Malaga showroom is the largest of its kind in WA. Come and see for yourself. You can also browse the gallery on our website for ideas and to find out more about our company and our renovation services. At Veejays, we design homes to be as functionally inclusive as possible for everyone. For many years now, we've been designing and constructing specialist bathrooms and other rooms for people with physical disabilities. If you or a loved one have accessibility challenges with your current bathroom layout, talk to us about how we can custom design the perfect solution for you. Veejays, improving your lifestyle and adding value to your home.